Hello students, in the previous video we have seen practice set 3. Now we will see practice set 4. Construct triangles of the measures given below. First, in triangle SAT, length of AT is equal to 6.4 centimeters, measure angle A is equal to 45 degree, measure angle T is equal to 105 degree. That means you have to arrange that this is base because only one segment is given to you. So you will write here AT is 6.4 centimeter and then you have to write SAT, your triangle become. Now with the help of instrument I will take base 6.4 centimeter. Here AT is 6.4 centimeters. Now with the help of D I will take for 45 degree. I will join this and again I will take 105 degree on keeping my keeping my D on point and I will take 105. So I will join this and I have to join this line with another line that we get a intersecting point. Here we have to put a arrow. So this point is S and this is 45 degree. This is 150 degrees. So this is how our triangle looks. Similarly I will do with in triangle MNP. Length of NP is equal to 5.2 centimeters. Length of measure angle L is equal to 70 degree, measure angle P is equal to 40 degree. In this they have given one segment, that means that is base. So here you have to write NP is 5.2 centimeters and you have to take the degree like this. Now with the help of scale I will draw line 5.2. I will write here NP is 5.2 centimeters. Your measure angle N is 70 degree. So with the help of D, I will take measure angle 70 degree and I will join the line. Similarly, I will do with P. Measure angle P is 40 degree. So from here I am taking 40 degree. So this is the point which have come, that is M. So here N is 70 degree, P is 40 degree. So this is how our triangle look. Same thing in third, in triangle EFG, length of FG is equal to 6 centimeter, measure angle F is equal to 65 degree, measure angle G is equal to 45 degree. So with the help of rough diagram, I will draw a fair diagram. So see, FG is base, that is 6 centimeter and measure angle F is 65 degree and G is 45 degree. Now with the help of scale I will take a base, that is 6 centimeters, name is FG. Now with the help of D I will take 65 degree, here 60, 65. Now I will make a line. Similarly on G I will make, that is 45 degree. So here is 40 and here 45. So we got a point E. So here we will write 65 degrees, here we will write 45 degrees. Similarly, last question, fourth, in triangle XYZ, length of XY is equal to 7.3 centimeters, measure angle X is equal to 64 degree, measure angle Y is equal to 95 degree. Now see your base, they have given you the base XY. So you will write here X, Y, Z. So your X is 34 degrees and Y is 95 degree. Now with the help of rough diagram you will draw fair diagram. Now see, the base is 7.3. Accurate, you have to take 7.3. Here this xy 7.3 centimeters. Now with the help of D, I will take 34 degrees. So here is 30 and you have to take 34. So I will join this 34 degree and 95 degree on Y. So 95, here 90 and this is 95. So you have to join this. You have to extend this line because you have to show the meeting point, that is Z. And you have to write here 34 degree, here 95 degree. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you problem set 5.